Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix time dim on iPhone lock screen after iOS. So let's get started. First thing first, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears and drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. After this, go to the settings app in your mobile device and scroll down, tap on the battery, and if the low power mode is turned on, then turn it off. After you do all this, go back to the settings again. Then in settings, tap on the general, and in general tap on the software update and ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If not, then simply download the latest updates available there. After this, go back to the settings general again, and there scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset and reset all settings. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the time dim issue on your iPhone lock screen after updating iOS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.